Hi everyone, it's Kimberly with Getaway Today, and I am here. I just checked into my stateroom on the Disney Wonder, and I wanted to give you a quick little room tour and then just kind of talk to you about some of the fun things here on this ship. So this is the Disney Wonder. Again, it's one of 4 Disney cruise ships right now. They will be doing a fourth, or excuse me, no, there are 4 ships right now. They will be doing a 5th and a 6th within the next few years, so that's very exciting. This is the 2nd of Disney's cruise ships, and it's awesome. I last sailed on it a few years ago, and they completely have redone so many of the areas here. They've redone a restaurant, they've redone the kids' play areas. So it's really, even though the staterooms are so different from the last time I was here, but I wanted to give you a quick tour. So this is the inside stateroom, and it's one of the smallest staterooms they have. And I just wanted to show you how well they use the space and then kind of give you an idea of what you can expect. So this is the bathroom. And this particular bathroom is really like all together. Again, they're small, but one thing I love is they have the separate shower head. When you're bathing kids, it makes it really easy to just spray them off and in limited space. Then you come back behind me. This is the storage area, and you have plenty of room to store your luggage. Of course, they have the life jackets up above. And then into the room, there's again more storage here. It's compact, but it's very well utilized. And then this is the actual room. So this is the queen bed. And then they have a couch, a full-size couch, and that will fold out into a bed for guest number 3 or 4, depending on how many you booked in your room. And they also have this little divider curtain that you can use. So it's not obviously complete privacy, but if you needed to have a little bit of privacy, that just hooks behind and you can close that off. So really easy. There's also this desk space right here. There's a little table that you can kind of see in the mirror. Little vanity area for getting ready, because on this ship and on any of the Disney Cruise Line ships, there are definitely times that you're going to want to get ready. So this is a 5-night sailing. It's based out of San Diego, which we are so excited about. And they have a pirate scene night, and because we are sailing over Halloween, they're doing Halloween on the high seas, which also includes a trick-or-treating Halloween masquerade party. So there's always something fun to do on Disney Cruise Line. And this is the most basic, most standard of the staterooms, and you can see that they just use the space really well. Now, one tip for Disney Cruise Line, I'm sailing with my family of 5. They have a very limited amount of staterooms that do sleep up to 5. They're the family suites, and they normally are an ocean view. But, and I say suite, but it's very similar to this layout. It's not much larger, but the cost difference is somewhat considerable. So with my family, it ended up being more cost effective for us to get 2 of these inside standard rooms and just have them be next to each other. And that was less expensive than doing one of the family suites where we would all be together and have a little less space than the 2 inside staterooms provide us. So always be sure to price check that, and also always be sure to book early. We booked this particular cruise about a year and a half ago, a year and a half before sailing, and then I checked prices again for my brother who thought maybe he'd like to join us, and the price for the exact same stateroom had gone up nearly, it was between $1,000 and $1,200. So booking early is always the key with Disney Cruise Line. And of course, I'm with Getaway Today, so would love to help you book your cruise. You can book it at getawaytoday.com, or you can call any of our agents at 855-GETAWAY, and they will give you the get you to our cruise department. And we also have 877-510-2929, which will ring straight back there. But I love the headboards are so fresh from the last time we were here. In addition to kind of the fun little touches that the guests do in your room, or that the cast does in your room. I'll show you, they have this fun original Pirates of the Caribbean reproductions. So it's kind of fun to see that original artwork from the attractions and the films. And again, each room is just so great. And then I also wanted to show you one thing I forgot to show you while I was showing you the bathroom is I love the bath amenities that they have here on Disney Cruise Line. And they're the full-size, like H2O, well, not full-size, but a really good size of the H2O spa products. So it comes with the lotion, the conditioner, shampoo, and then they also have the little bars of soap. And this is kind of dorky, but anytime you go into the theater, it's like you can smell all of the bath products, and I really love it. It smells so good. So anyway, that's the blow dryer. It comes with the blow dryer, so you don't need to worry about that. And then you have converters for like shavers and your electric products that you need to use in the bathroom. So anyway, that's pretty much it for the room tour. Of course, Disney Cruise Line has so many fun things. I love the rotational dining, where you rotate through 3 of their main restaurants and get to have a different experience every night while your wait staff follows you from each restaurant, so you keep the same staff and you know your preferences. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this and other fun tips and tricks for your vacation. Again, it's Kimberly with Getaway Today, and we'll link you to all of our specials below. And thanks so much for watching. Take care.